Hi guys, we are in La Coruna. We are in Spain now. This is our second destination. We just we just came from the ship just a couple of minutes ago. Today is a bit cloudy, but it's quite humid, so we just arrived, so we're just gonna walk around, see the little city, and the ship is boarded right behind me over there. So I'll just show you around. So this is my first time in Spain. The buildings are quite different what we have in UK, and that strange thing is a port light right over there.
Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day. Now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Like electricity.
Still in La Coruna, and we are heading towards a castle of San Antone, which was built in 16th century, and we'll just go around and see what's in there. So I'll take you guys with me, just follow. We found a fountain where you can have water, and there is also a space where dogs and pets can have water as well. And this is the first time I've seen something like this. I've never seen anything like that over there in UK or in the US, so that's a really nice facility for if you have pets.